Permaculture. Lots of syllables, really vague. What do you mean? People say, what is that word permaculture? Definitions, terms that people associate with it. Permanent agriculture. Permanent culture. Lifestyle. Ecological design. Innovative solutions. Sustainable living. So how do we design a permanent agriculture? As we live on this planet as human beings today, we have before us a lot of opportunities that we can either act on or we can ignore them. And I think that what's interesting for us to begin to question as individuals, as human beings, as organisms on this planet is, what is it that it means to be human?
So the way the class works is that initially we start out with this broad world view and with this broad history lesson, and we bring in then modern era and look in particular deepen our ecological knowledge of the history of the East Coast of the United States. And then I bring in a whole slew of other teachers and professional people who work in this field doing design, doing implementation, doing consultation to then inspire people and give them a real breadth and depth of where are you going to be able to go after you finish this course in terms of your career and your life directions. And then the students all, to finish the course and receive their certification, present a design. And so the design assignment is how they show that they learned all of these ideas of how to assess a property, how to look at where the sun rises, where the sun sets, where the wind is coming from. What are the opportunities for making this a more low-tech and self-reliant and prosperous place?
Because what we're doing with permaculture isn't so much saving the planet as much as it is saving ourselves.